Here's how you can simply download SummerTime Saga on your Android phone. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So first up, open up your web browser. In this case, I'm simply going to open up Chrome. Once you do that, you can simply search for the term SummerTime Saga, and then in front of that term, add the up to down option and then search. And this is going to show you the app on the up to down website. So click on it. And then once you do that, it's going to give you this download option right over here. And then you can simply download the app. But if you want to download older versions, you can simply click on older versions right over here. And it's going to show you a ton of older versions you can download. But in this case, you can simply just start downloading it by clicking on the get the latest version, and it will start downloading automatically. So that's how you can simply download the app on your mobile phone. So if you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.